Ever wondered how to make your own teriyaki beef jerky at home? Imagine the satisfaction of creating this flavorful, protein-rich snack right in your own kitchen. Today, we're diving into a simple, delicious recipe that will make you wonder why you ever bought store-bought jerky. First off, the star of the show, the beef. 2 pounds of flank steak, sirloin, or round cuts are ideal. Start by trimming any excess fat. This step is crucial because fat can cause the jerky to spoil faster. Once trimmed, slice the beef into thin strips, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Remember, if you prefer a more tender jerky, slice against the grain. But if a chewier texture is your thing, slice with the grain. Now it's time to get saucy. In a large bowl, mix together a 1/2 cup each of soy sauce and teriyaki sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and honey, a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons each of garlic and onion powder, a teaspoon each of ground black pepper and sesame oil, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. For those who like a bit of heat, add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Next, it's time to bathe the beef strips in this luscious marinade. Ensure all pieces are well coated, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. However, for maximum flavor, an overnight marinade is recommended. Once the beef is well marinated, it's time to dry it out. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you have a food dehydrator, now's the time to bring it out. Arrange the beef strips in a single layer on wire racks placed on baking sheets lined with aluminum foil or on your dehydrator trays. Patience is key now. The drying process will take about 3 to 4 hours. You'll know your jerky is ready when it's dry to the touch, flexible but not brittle. Once done, remove the jerky and let it cool completely. Finally, store your homemade teriyaki beef jerky in an airtight container or resealable plastic bags. Kept at room temperature, it can last up to 2 weeks, or even longer if refrigerated. A couple of handy tips to remember. Partially freezing the beef makes it easier to slice evenly. And when checking if your jerky is ready, it should bend and crack, but not break in half. So there you have it, a delicious homemade teriyaki beef jerky recipe, perfect for snacking or as a protein-packed treat. Remember, you can always experiment with different spices and marinades to suit your taste. Enjoy the process, and most importantly, enjoy your homemade jerky.